Welcome again to World War Relic Discovery channel. Football has finished, so I'm thinking about a night dive. I know about the location where there is lots of history, and why not? I got the gear, I got my friend Mr. Q, so let's do this. Let's go night diving.
The moment.
Scuba diving. We found this one. I think it's an ammo crate by the shape of it and the closings. I think it's British or American. What do you think?
I think German. I don't know.
It's full.
Yes, it's very full.
And we found this shell casing as well. But we stopped searching now because there is a lightning storm. So when that one is over, we will go back in the water. So try to open the handles, and they're like new. So the box was making a hissing sound. So it means that whatever is inside, it's still some air. And now it's supposed to. Oh, there we go.
Plop.
I hope it don't break. Still stuck somewhere. This is probably stuck on the hinges.
Beautiful condition.
After 75 years in the water.
The moment. What's that?
It's breaking it over there.
What's that? Oh my god. Oh,
How fucking cool
This
is
is-
this?
not normal.
Look at the text.
Dit is unbelievable.
This is a full box of K98 ammo. This is
Can I take one?
unbelievable. Yeah.
I don't know. I leave it like this. It's too nice.
Oh my god. That's a fucking cool find.
Look, the brass. It's like new.
Everything is new. There's still. Look at the,
The
text
card?
there. Yes, you can see the text.
Ooh.
Crazy, man.
Crazy.
Alright.
Maybe there's more in the water.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we're waiting until the storm blows over. Then we're gonna check this one out then. Fucking hell. It says Belgian.
Belgium.
Yeah, wait.
Belgium made
FN, you see? FN.
K98 cartridges.
It's all FN. Touch. 4 minutes in there.
Look at this. It's the card UKC text.
So these are the other finds. What's left over of a 25-pounder box. This one is in fair shape, just no lid. With this paint on it, so that's pretty cool. No writing, so Quincy's going to clean it.
Yes.
With oxalic acid, and yes, it will look beautiful. This one is a part of the lid. Pretty sure there's no writing there as well. And a nice shell casing. Sadly it's broken. Next time more luck.